Welcome back to Day Zero Prep. I am Nuno. This is the moment we have been building toward. Today is the last video of this series, and today we put it all together. This is the complete Day Zero kit. Day Zero is not a theory. It is not a movie. It is a date on a calendar that you do not know yet. And when it arrives, there will be two types of people. Those who spent years preparing for it, and those who spent years laughing at the people who did. Everything you need, in the order you need it. No excuses after this. Everything starts with money that cannot be destroyed. Before you buy a single can of food, you need a financial foundation. Silver first, accessible and recognized everywhere. Gold second, your wealth preservation across the collapse and into whatever comes after. Physical only, never paper, never digital, never in a bank. Land as the long-term goal, the only asset that feeds you and protects you. These three form a foundation no crisis can destroy. A minimum of 6 months of food for every person in your household. White rice, dried beans, oats, pasta, canned goods, honey, salt, and freeze-dried meals with shelf lives of up to 30 years. Store in cool, dark, dry conditions. Rotate using the FIFO system, first in, first out, so nothing expires unused. Water, a minimum of 1 gallon per person per day. A water filtration system like a gravity filter is non-negotiable. If you have land with a well, borehole, or stream, your water problem is solved permanently. Without energy, food spoils and communications fail. You need monocrystalline solar panels facing south with minimal shading. LiFePO4 lithium batteries with a 6,000 to 8,000 cycle lifespan and an MPPT charge controller at 94% efficiency. A pure sine wave inverter and a dual fuel backup generator. This system keeps your critical infrastructure running indefinitely. This system ensures no grid dependency whatsoever. This is how you stay powered when the world goes dark. Food reserves run out. Hunting capability does not. A high-powered legal air rifle in .22 caliber for small game at range. A tactical repeating crossbow for completely silent use with reusable ammunition. Together, these provide food acquisition and deterrence. A solar-powered tactical watch with ABC sensors that works with zero infrastructure. A minimum 1000 lumen tactical flashlight. A base plate compass and printed topographic maps for navigation without satellites. Knowing where you are is critical. A walkie-talkie operating on legal civilian frequencies for short-range coordination. A portable AM/FM shortwave radio with solar and hand crank charging for receiving information when all other networks are down. A multi-tool and a fixed blade knife as your primary cutting tools. A high-capacity solar power bank to bridge your devices to your solar system. A woven wire fence covering your entire property boundary with barbed wire on top. Defensive thorny planting alongside the fence. A dog, ideally one outside and one inside, as your most reliable early warning system. Motion-activated solar alarms. Gravel pathways for acoustic detection. Motion floodlights on approach routes. Solid core doors with steel-reinforced frames. And complete operational security. Nobody outside your inner circle knows what you have. Silence is your best defense. No single person can maintain a 24-hour security watch. No single person can farm, cook, repair, treat injuries, and defend simultaneously. Build a small, tight, deeply trusted network of people with complementary skills, define roles, train together now. Gear without knowledge is expensive ballast. Start now, not next month, not when things get worse. Now. Every single step you take toward preparedness is a step away from dependency and a step toward freedom. The window to prepare is open, but windows close. When Day Zero arrives, only one question will matter. The question is not whether you knew it was coming. You did. The only question is whether you acted on that knowledge. This has been the Day Zero Prep Complete series. 10 pillars, 1 mission, knowledge and tools to protect your family. The series is complete, but the channel is not done. Every Saturday, the weekly threat report brings you the news that matters. New content keeps coming every day, because the world is not getting more stable, and neither is the time to start. My name is Nuno. Stay prepared. I will see you tomorrow.